Okay guys, got something else here from Wish. Some more knives, some more Wish knives. And, opening it with my Kaiser again. But, I'm going to put this in air quotes. These are supposed to be Spydercos, but we'll see what we think about that here in a minute. I'm guessing, actually, I know for a fact, not Spydercos, but let me see if I can get this packaging open here. Alright, there we go. And we do have boxes that kind of look like Spydercos, but kind of doubt it. Yeah, so telltale sign, not a real Spyderco. There's no label, right? It's normally they would have the model and the barcode and everything there. Does not have that. One of the other signs is if the inside has large foam. So normally Spydercos, the foam is smaller than the actual box itself. But go ahead and pull it out here. Yeah, so that's not even how Spydercos come packaged. So it does say Spyderco on it with the LMAX steel, and then we got the little spider on there. But yeah, this is, oh, here we go, Italy lion steel on this side. You do have a really thick spine on there. I mean, these I think were like 20 bucks a piece or 25 bucks a piece, so you get what you pay for here. This is just a knockoff, but yeah, I mean, decent fit and finish on it, and you can see, it's got a frame lock, pretty early lock up there. I already do have what looks like some tarnishing on that steel there, but otherwise decent. You do have a deep carry pocket clip, and that does look like it's reversible if you just loosen that top screw there. That looks like, yeah, that's G10 there, and you do have G10 on at least half of that back spacer. Yeah, I mean, it's it's a knockoff. So we got that one, and then we got another knockoff that's like a cleaver, and that, here you go, this is what I was talking about. See how that foam goes all the way to the edge of the box? That is not how Spydercos come. They'll be smaller than the box typically, and yeah, this is just, yeah, that's fake Spyderco, but that's okay. I knew what I was getting when I bought it, so here's what that looks like. It does say Spyderco VG10. I seriously doubt that's VG10. That's probably like a 440C, maybe 448. I don't know. It's not VG10. That's another thing with these, is that the texture on those grips is never as aggressive as the real Spydercos. I mean, you can hear there's texture there. Now I've scratched it a little bit, but I believe that to be G10. You do have a reasonably deep carry pocket clip. You do have a little bit showing, but you do get some chimping up here on the thumb place here, the thumb holder. That's pretty. It's a pretty small handle. I mean, I don't have huge hands or anything, so it feels okay in my hand, but for some of you guys that have the gorilla hands, large hands, that might not do it for you. But this one would. This one's nice and big. That feels really comfortable in the hand. You do have a thumb ramp here with some chimping as well. I mean, they feel like decent quality. I mean, there's no blade play up, down, side to side on either one, I don't believe. Now this one has a little rock side to side, no up and down at all. If I come all the way out here and really push on it, I get just a teensy bit, which you could probably fix by tightening up that pivot. But oh, there we go. I actually got the lock to come loose. I think my finger caught it though when I was rocking it. So I wonder if this will come out. Yeah, it's pretty tight. There we go. So it will whip out there. Probably just needs to be broken in just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit of. Man, that lock is tight though. That'd be near impossible to do a closing with one hand. You do need a little bit of wrist action in there to get that to pop out. There we go. I guess I got it. That lock is tight though. There we go. So maybe it just needed to be played with a little bit. There we go. Man, see that? Like sometimes it locks up so hard I can't push it over very easy. But there she is. So we got ourselves a couple fake Spydercos here. I don't know why I bought these other than I was just curious. I don't plan on claiming that they are Spydercos. Everybody knows this is fake, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Maybe we'll do a hard test later. See if we can break them. I don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys some new wish knives and make sure you guys understand you're not getting anything authentic for 24 bucks or 20 bucks, whatever these were. So I almost forgot to do a sharpness test on these. I got this scrap that I just was using in another video, but let's see. This paper's kind of wet, so just forewarning. I mean, there we go. It was real wet there at the edge. It's kind of hard to get it going because it's so wet. But yeah, that's sharp. Get this guy out and try this. Man, that paper's wet. There we go. Found a dry piece right here. Yeah, super sharp. So that's good. I mean, they may not be authentic, but they're nicely honed. I mean, that you can feel that's a nice sharp edge on both of those. Especially this one feels a little sharper actually. But yeah, that's nice and sharp. So again, you know, this paper's been sitting out here a while and it's still, I mean, it's going through there really easy even though it's wet. So yeah, those are sharp. So pretty economical option with, you know, G10 and then whatever mystery steel they make these with. I have no idea. It's not L-Max or VG10. I'm pretty sure that. Not for that price. But anyways, that's it. Remember to subscribe, and then I do have a real Spyderco as a giveaway item. I'll put the link right there. And then if you want to be in the running for that, you just have to go to that video, comment, subscribe, and that's it. Thanks, guys.